माया मरी न मन मरा, माया मरी न मन मरा, मन मर गए शरीर, आशा तृष्णा न मरी, कह गए साहिब कबीर. Very good afternoon, everyone. Today, our reporting team is presented at Jotwada, Rood Mahal. As you can see, the hoarding behind me, written as Rood Mahal, 200 feet bypass, Suraj Vihar, where on the occasion of the upcoming New Year, and satsang has been organized over here. So let's see by going inside that what's all happening in this satsang. By going inside, firstly we get to see the parking facilities. So let's see the parking facilities, that how it has been organized and what's all happening and how these facilities are being provided to them. Let's have a glance. By coming inside, we get to see a large area, huge area for the parking. As you can see, there is being facilitating for the two-wheelers and as well as for the four-wheelers. The regular patrolling has been ensured, the security has been ensured. As you can see, the Sevadas has been patrolling regularly over here, and all types of facilities has been provided for the security basis, and also it is totally free of cost. There is no charges has been provided or taken from any of the devotees to here. By coming further, we get to see many people for the security purpose are being kept over here. But the fun fact I want to tell you about here, that each and everyone is well educated who knows English and Hindi over here. So let's get to know about the security purpose and what all facilities are being provided. So we want to know that the security, how it is, and how much money has been taken from the devotees who is coming in this satsang.
Totally free and security assured.
Okay, so as per we get to know that it is totally free of cost. Parking has not been taking any charges over here, and the security has been assured by all of these security guards and by regular patrolling. Let's move inside and has a glimpse of these satsang. Coming further, we get to see this hoarding where so beautifully a slogan has been written. As you can see behind me, कबीर तीन लोग पंजरा भया, पाप पुण्य दो जाल, सभी जीव भोजन बहे, एक खाने वाला काल. Now, while coming in the entrance, let's get to know about the people over here, that on whose presence this satsang has been organized and what's all happening in this today's program. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Shaurya Prajapati.
Shaurya, can you please tell us that on whose holy presence this satsang has been organized?
Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Okay, we get to know this, that this program has been organized on the holy presence of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. So this program has been organized in the holy presence of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Now let's get to know that on which occasion this has been program has been organized. Shaurya, can you please tell us that why this program has been organized?
Satsang organized for upcoming New Year.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this satsang has been organized for the upcoming New Year. Let's get inside and see that how all of these facilities has been provided, what's all is happening inside. Just at the entrance, we can see that how beautifully each and everything has been organized. As you can see, the beautiful portraits of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj as well as Kabir Das. As you can see behind me, that how beautifully each and everything has been published and organized over here on the upcoming program of New Year. Let's get to know with the devotees, the people coming over here, that how they are celebrating New Year over here by this satsang. As you can see that too much of gathering we can see, whether it's male and female. The best part of this satsang, while entering in this pandal, I just want to say you this: the most attractive and fascinating thing that I get to see here is the discipline in the people over here, the respect they are providing each and every male and all as well as female. you the video and let's see that what's all is happening, what's all we can see in this upcoming program of New Year Satsang. After coming inside, we get to see that how beautifully this satsang has been organized, where male and female very distributedly were sitting with very so much of discipline and with so much of respect. While coming over here, I get to see that each and everyone is too much devoted and are so much respectful with each and other. Now let's get to know with the people and devotees over here that what they have learned in this upcoming New Year satsang. Now with us, both of these devotees of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is present with us. Let's get to know with them that what are their views regarding this satsang and upcoming New Year program. Hello, namaste.
सत साहिब जी
What's your name?
डोली दासी
What's your name, sir?
Ranveer Das.
Sir, from both of you, I have a question that in for upcoming New Year, what's your plans are for this celebration of New Year and what you have learned from this satsang?
जी मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि जैसे कि आप भी जानते हैं न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन कैसे किया जाता है, आज की यूथ जनरेशन कैसे करती है ना न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन। तो जैसे कि अल्कोहल का यूज़ करना, नॉन वेज वगैरह, ये सारी पार्टीज में नॉर्मल है, ठीक है, और न्यू ईयर पे भी यही किया जाता है। लेकिन हमारे भगत समाज में जो संत रामपाल जी महाराज के शिष्य हैं, भगत हैं, वो ऐसा नहीं करते। वो इन सब के बजाय सत्संग सुनना, परमात्मा संत रामपाल जी महाराज की सत्संग सुनना, जो कि हम लोग आज यही वही करने आए हैं। तो ये हमारा न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन ही है, प्री सेलिब्रेशन। तो और हम लोग परमात्मा की वाणी सुनते हैं और सत्संग वगैरह, बस हमारा न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन यही होता है ना।
By her, we get to know that people over here celebrate New Year by listening to the satsang and they do not consume any type of intoxication. So, what's your way of celebrating the New Year?
जी मैं भी यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि न्यू ईयर की स्टार्टिंग अपन एल्कोहल मतलब नॉन वेज वगैरह को छोड़ के सत्संग से करें, जैसे हम करते आ रहे हैं।
Maya mara na man mara marmar gaye shareer. So each and every day is a new year because you are getting a new life. This is what Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Satsang and devotees told us. So thank you so much for more these contents. Do subscribe our channel and be linked with us. Thank you so much.